Shani Cosmetics Glamour Girl Makeup Kit Eyeshadow Blush. Loved the makeup. Bought it as a gift for someone and now I think I'm going to buy myself one too. Cameo CC-078 Color Professional Makeup Kit. Force yourself to try a shade completely out of your comfort zone next time you go out. Whether you're going for a cat eyes, smoky eyes, or a crazy mix of pink and aqua, a fun new shadow palette like this 78 color eyeshadow kit will force you to think outside of the box. EDA Aloe Collagen Enhanced Compact Makeup Kit 7.8 ounces. Professional Studio Makeup Artist Kit, 22 color palette. LOL Cosmetics Glitter Eyeshadow Makeup Kit. This was almost like a lip gloss glitter but for eyes. It was very creamy and did stay on for the most part. We used it with girls at Halloween and one rub of the eye and the glitter was everywhere. Which was still cute. Bluetech Hot New Professional 88 Colors Ultimate Eyeshadow Eye. I had so much fun with this eyeshadow. It was very smooth and goes on easy. I love when I can move eyeshadow from the palette to a brush, from a brush to my eyes, all very easily. I hate when I have to keep swabbing the palette to get more eyeshadow because it won't stick to anything, but this eyeshadow sticks amazing. I also love the variety of colors to choose from. I got the more neutral colors palette and it has worked great. There is always a color I can use with all my outfits. I mean, the number of choices is just amazing and it helps a lot because you don't have to have a million palettes laying out to make your perfect combo when your perfect combo is laying out in front of you in this particular palette. I call it my perfect all-in-one, no need for any other shadow palette. Overall I'd say this is definitely high quality material. Several things made me think this, but the one reason was that when wearing it, it doesn't feel heavy in the eyes. It's like a light airy feeling that not all shadows have. So no, it's not a cheap eyeshadow in my opinion. I did receive this item at a discounted rate in exchange for my honest opinion review. Lady Da exclusive Leopard Skin Makeup Kit, Dance Kit. This ivory color snakeskin textured faux leather case holds 3 layers of makeup for every occasion. Inside the case, there is a small mirror, 2 layers of eyeshadows and applicators, 1 layer of lip color, and 1 layer of foundation, blush, and lip gloss. With all the variety and organization this case contains, you won't need anything else. An exquisite gift set. This set was originally made for dancers and theatrical use, and due to its demand is now offered to public. The colors are highly pigmented and can be used on face or body. The premium ingredients of the kit allows users to not worry about their makeup during the performance. You will need makeup remover to wipe off the colors. I love COS Cosmetics Makeup Brushes Professional Makeup Brush Set Makeup. I love COS Makeup Brush Set, 8-piece. I love COS to make you younger and more beautiful. Value Makers 2015 Hot 3-Color Eyebrow Makeup Powder. Product is as described. The stencils are kinda hard to use, but then again I've never used them before. Nice product. The brush has an eraser on the opposite end, which I found super handy. But all in all, great product. I am happy. Eliac 32 PCS Pink Professional Makeup Brushes Set Cosmetic. When the brushes arrived I was so happy. The bristles were soft, there were some duplicates on the brushes, but that's fine because you could always use extra brushes. There was a slight chemical smell, but I'm sure it will go away once you wash your brushes before using them. Perfect Brow Eyebrow Makeup Kit Premium Dark Brown. Create perfect brows with the eyebrow cake powder. This eyebrow set includes stencils, tools and 3 complementary powders, which can be customized to create the ideal shade. Each eyebrow cake powder kit includes a slanted brush and a round wand to shape, style and tame eyebrows. Look at the last image for a discount code for this purchase. Shani Facial Brush Multi-Purpose Electric Facial Cleaner. Excellent facial brush. The different attachments are really great and my face feels much cleaner after using it. I was very happy with the price and it does for my face. I'd buy it again. Mineral Air Cordless Airbrush Makeup Kit Light. I love this product, purchase though their website it took some getting used to at first, but now OMG, I'm in love. HV been in a thunderstorm and makeup didn't run or fade, hugged PPL and no affect, even lightly sweating didn't mess it up, so yes I'm recommending it. Update 6.1.16 I love it, the concept is very good, but I HV a mahogany skin tone and I've tinkered with the color combinations for my tone and I can't get it, I had it with my old tone but now I can't get it, HV to return. Delancey 10 Color Cosmetics Cream Complete Coverage Concealers Palette. I didn't have the highest expectations due to the price, but I was really impressed when this brush and palette arrived. The colors are amazing, particularly for olive toned skin. I have been using the creams strategically over foundation and a touch of mineral powder. They look excellent when brushed with a loose translucent powder and very dramatic when layered under bronzers and highlighters. The brush picks up the color particularly if the palette is slightly warm. If the palette is cold however, you do need to press more firmly to pick up as much color. Can also be applied very naturally when blended with a damp applicator sponge. Already recommended to friends.